In this video, I will be covering how to use Wikimass Forum. I will be dividing it in two sections, to make it easier. One is as a voter, and the other, as a contestant or participant. It's a short video, I promise. Before I proceed, the text version of this video is in the link in the description below. That's in case you prefer reading. Firstly, let's get started with the different ways you can access Wikimass Forum. 1. Open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. That means, automatically when I input a text in the search box, and click on search, then I am searching on Google search engine. So type in Wikimass Forum. And click on search. Click on the first link that shows up. 2. You can directly input or visit www.forum.wikimass.org. Three. You can also access Wikimass Forum from the Wikimass main page. Visit www.wikimass.org. From the menu, click on Forum. You will be redirected to Wikimass Forum automatically. Now that you are on Wikimass Forum, these are the menu options. If you are on mobile or tablet device, you can click on the menu button at the top right corner, to toggle it on or off. Home. Whenever you are lost on any page of Wikimass Forum, you can click on it to return to the home page. How it works, this directs you to where you can read the processes involved in becoming a contestant or a voter. Become a participant or contestant. If you want to become a contestant, you can use this link. That is if you want people to vote for you so you can withdraw on weekends. Forum Guideline. This is the guideline of the forum you must adhere to. For your safety and the safety of the community involved. Kindly go through it before proceeding. FAQ. You can check out our frequently asked questions. As a voter, before you can vote for someone, you have to be on the person's voting page. Now, on the forum's home page, if the person you are looking for is not listed, you can perform a search operation. Click on the person's name. From the new page that opens, click on Vote for the person's name. Then click on the vote link. You will be redirected to a new tab with the person's info. Click on Vote Now button. Input your email address, the number of vote count you wish to give the person. Note that each vote count is 100 naira or 28 cent. I guess that explains the value below it. That's it, you are done. You can choose to discuss about the person after the page reloads. The page will only reload when the transaction is completed. You can pay with debit or credit card, bank transfer, USSD code and other available options. When you click on Discuss to discuss about the person, you can create a new topic about the person, or you comment on existing topic. As a contestant or participant. Becoming a contestant is free. To become a participant, you just have to go to the menu or the sidebar and click on Become a Participant or Contestant. Wait for the page to load. Perform all of the tasks provided on your screen. It should be about 12 tasks. Note that the task is compulsory to be performed. When you are done with all the tasks, click on the Apply button below to fill out the necessary form. All payments will be sent to your provided bank details. Make sure to cross-check it before submitting. Wait shortly, your participant or contestant page will be sent to your provided email address. Thank you.